Wondering how to create eye-catching designs with AI? I walk you through the entire process, from prompts to finished designs. Okay, now you've picked a niche, you've chosen some phrases and some ideas for graphic-only designs. Now it's time to create these designs. If you haven't done these steps yet, please stop this video and watch my video about the research of niches and designs. Okay, for this demo we're gonna generate these designs in Ideogram 2.0 and some graphic-only designs in Midjourney. This is the website of Ideogram 2.0. So let's go back to our phrases. Let's first generate the designs with phrases. So let's take the first one, copy it. You go into this window and then let's just type in a Jembe t-shirt design that includes the phrase eat, sleep, Jembe, repeat, gray background. The gray background makes it easy to remove the background later. So as you can see, this is a really simple prompt. Let's just test it, and we have the magic prompt on auto. That means it will generate maybe a new prompt out of my initial prompt right here. We can leave the aspect ratio on 1:1. Visibility is public in my plan. Model is 2.0. We leave the color palette on auto. Then we click this arrow right here. You can set the rendering from turbo, default to quality. Well, this basically defines the quality, and when you set it on default, it uses 2 credits. On turbo it uses 1 credit, and on quality it uses 3 credits. So we just leave it on default. And on the bottom right here we click design. Okay, let's hit generate. Okay, they are done. Let's take a look. Well, they basically look already nice, but I don't like this dash right here, basically in all the designs. So I just remove this and generate it again. You click generate. Okay, here we go. Eat, sleep, Jembe, repeat. Looks quite cool. This one also looks quite cool with this African type of font, but unfortunately it will be hard to remove the background from this design. This one also looks quite cool, but again it's hard to remove the background from this font. So the last one is quite perfect, and I think you can easily remove the background from this one. So let's pick the first and the last one. You can easily save these designs by drag and drop. So just save them in a folder. And what's nice about Ideogram is the fact that it generates this magic prompt. As you can see right here, this is our very simple initial prompt, and this is the magic prompt that it generated. So the magic prompt is also simple, but it's a bit more detailed. Okay, let's generate the next one. So we pick the next phrase, copy it. Now we can just replace this phrase right here in this prompt. Don't change anything and just hit generate. Okay, it's done. This one looks really cool. Jembe is my therapy, with the Jembe drum in the middle. This one also has a mock-up. The design itself is quite nice, but it's too hard to remove the background, so I wouldn't use that. The third one looks quite creative, and the last one is quite simple, and it's got the drumsticks. And I think the instrument is not played with drumsticks, so I wouldn't use that. I would just pick the first one and the third one. So let's save these two. And as you already can see, Ideogram 2.0 is really strong in its text game. There are no spelling mistakes yet. Okay, the next phrase is just a girl who loves playing Jembe. Paste it right here, click generate, and here we go. Okay, it's done. Let's take a look. This one looks quite cool, and it's easy to remove the background. This one is quite funny with the graphic right here. Just a girl who loves playing Jembe. It's totally correct. This one also looks cool with the heart. Just a girl who loves playing Jembe. And the last one, just a girl who loves playing Jembe. Yeah, it's totally correct. Now we got a hard time picking a winner. Actually, I just pick all 4 of them, because why not? Okay, now let's pick the next phrase. It's just a boy who loves playing Jembe. Now I'm just curious on how these are different from the first ones right here, just a girl. Click generate. Okay, they are done, and as you can see they are all unique. Actually this cursive font is more appealing to girls, so I wouldn't pick these two. This one has a spelling error, and also these words don't make any sense. So I would go for the first one as it looks really cool. Okay, the next phrase is education is important, but playing Jembe is importanter. Let's put it in Ideogram. Okay, let's see. Education is important, but playing Jembe is importanter. It's absolutely correct. Well, of course, the spelling mistake is on purpose. Education is important, but playing Jembe is importanter. This one also looks cool. Education is important. Okay, this is incorrect right here. Education is important, but playing Jembe is importanter. That's also correct. So I would just pick the first and the second one. Now we go for the next phrase. Jembe makes me happy, you not so much. Okay, let's take a look. Jembe makes me happy, you not so much. This one is correct. This one says Jembe makes me happy. Okay, can't use this one. Djembe makes me happy, you not so much. Instead of an O, it's got this djembe drum. Don't really like that. Djembe makes me happy, you not so much. Okay, in this case I would just pick the first one. Okay, let's start with our niche specific phrases. My djembe skills are no joke. Okay, let's take a look. My djembe skills are no joke. It's missing the D, so it missed the joke. My djembe skills are no joke. This doesn't make any sense right here. This one also missed the joke. My djembe skill are no joke. No. Doesn't look nice. Let's just generate it again. Okay, my djembe skills are no joke. This one looks cool and it's got the spelling right. Well, this design doesn't look good because the arrangement of the words don't fit the design. I wouldn't use this. The D is missing right here and the spelling is correct on the last one, but I think it's too hard to remove the background. So we go for the first one. Now we take the phrase, don't call me a bongo. Click generate. Okay, the first one looks quite nice. Don't call me a bongo. It's got the djembe. That's very important. Ideogram got it right that it has to generate a djembe and not a bongo. This one also has a mockup and it also has a spelling error and it's also cut off right here. This one says don't call me a bongo. It's got the djembe in the background. Okay, let's pick the first and the last one. Real drummers play djembe. Click generate. Okay, let's see. This one is quite creative. Real drummers play djembe. I don't like the second one. It only has the big letters and the graphic is too small. The graphic is incorrect on the third one. The last one says real drummers play djembe. That's correct. And it looks quite nice. So again, let's pick the first one and the last one. Okay, now for the last phrase. It's a djembe, not a bongo. Click generate. It's a djembe, not a bingo. Well, this djembe is clearly not an O. You could read it as an I, so I wouldn't use this first design. It's a djembe, not a bongo. Nope. It's a, not a djembe, bongo. No. It's a djembe, not a bongo. Don't like the words right here. So let's generate it again. Okay, let's see. It's a djembe, not a bongo. That's correct. It's also really simple. It's a djembe, not a bongo. The graphic is incorrect. It's a djembe, not a bongo. Here it's missing the bottom part of the djembe. It's a djembe, not a bingo. Yeah, I wouldn't use this. I would just pick the first one. Okay, now we generated the designs with phrases. Now let's generate the graphic only designs. Now we first want to generate a Bigfoot playing the djembe. Let's copy it. Go to Ideogram and let's just type in Bigfoot playing the djembe, t-shirt design, gray background. Also have it on design and click generate. Okay, here we go. We got the Bigfoots right here. They are all playing the djembe. We don't have the gray background, unfortunately. This one looks quite good, but it's got this gradient right here and this face doesn't look like Bigfoot. This one is cut off right here and it's missing its body. This one looks quite nice and this one also looks quite nice. So let's pick these two. Now let's pick the next one, T-Rex playing the djembe. Just replace this and this time we want to generate a white background. Maybe that works a bit better. Click generate. Okay, here we go. These are all really nice. They're mostly in this kid style, but that's okay. These are quite similar and the last one is quite funny, but unfortunately it's not suitable for t-shirts. So let's just pick the second one and the third one. Now we want to generate a djembe drum in front of an USA flag. Just replace this, press paste and click generate. Okay, this is quite interesting. The first one has the USA flag on the djembe drum itself, but it looks quite cool. The second one has this speech bubble that says USA. The third one is also correct. The last one doesn't look right with this flag right here, so I would just pick the first one. It's too hard to remove the background on the second and the third one right here. But let's just generate it again, but with a gray background. Okay, here we go. The first one looks quite cool, but it has this effect right here that makes it really hard to remove the background. The second one has a clean outline, but I don't really like it. And on the last two we got the same issue right here. So I would use this one. Okay, now we want to generate the axolotl playing the djembe. Let's change it again to a white background. Okay, let's take a look. They're using some drumsticks except for the last one. So now we got to make sure if djembe is also played with drumsticks. And I just typed in this question, is djembe played with drumsticks? Of course, you could also ask ChatGPT for this. And here it says a djembe is played with bare hands. That means we wouldn't use the first ones, as they all include these drumsticks. But luckily the last one looks quite nice. And it's got this hard outline that makes it easy to remove the background. So let's pick the last one. Now we got a Christmas djembe design. A djembe with a Christmas hat on, with Christmas lights around the djembe. djembe. Click generate. Okay, here we go. Now I would prefer the first one and the third one. Of course, these are quite similar, so it's just personal preference. Now we want to generate a djembe silhouette in front of a retro sunset graphic. Okay, here we go. Now it's too hard to remove the background right here in the first one. The second one looks quite good. The third one looks also quite nice. It's got these palm trees. And the last one also says Rhythm of the Sun. Okay, I would pick the third one, as you could easily remove the background right here. Now for the astronaut playing the djembe in space. Let's see what we get. Click generate. Okay, this is quite interesting. The first graphic is quite simple. The second one is kinda like the first one. Now the last two are also really similar to each other, but they look quite nice. Well, I would pick the last two designs right here. Now we want to generate a djembe drum in a cottagecore style. So this cottagecore style is also really popular on Amazon. And let's see what we get. Okay, these graphics look quite nice, but unfortunately we can't use any of these for t-shirts because they are not isolated on a white background, and that doesn't make any sense. So I would just skip this one. Now we want to generate Bigfoot carrying a djembe drum. Okay, this is quite funny. The first Bigfoot wears a t-shirt and it says I play the drums. Second one also wears a t-shirt and it says keep calm and carry on. The third one has the speech bubble and it says let's jam. The fourth one is quite funny, it says no djembe, no cry. Well, props to Ideogram for this creative twist. Now that makes it really hard to pick the winner. I would pick the first one and the last one. He looks quite sad and these words on the t-shirt are a bit small for my taste. Okay, now for the last one, we just want a djembe retro pop art vintage style. So let's copy it and see what we get. Okay, this is quite interesting. This one says djembe with a heart in the background and the djembe drum. Here you can't read the words properly. This one is just a djembe drum and this one is not suitable for t-shirts. So I would use the first one. Okay, so here's my folder of the saved designs. And as you can see, we already have 32 unique designs. But now I want to generate some graphic only designs in Midjourney and see what we get in comparison to Ideogram. Okay, so unfortunately Midjourney can't produce designs with phrases like in Ideogram. It just doesn't work yet, but it's really strong in graphic only designs, so let's take a look. The first one would be Bigfoot playing the djembe. Here we are in my Midjourney Discord. Let's type in imagine, paste it, and we also add vector art white background. In my experience, this works best on Midjourney. Okay, let's take a look. We got Bigfoot, but unfortunately these drums don't look like a djembe drum. So I think Midjourney doesn't know what a djembe drum is. So let's try the next one. T-Rex playing the djembe. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, again, it's a T-Rex, but it's not a djembe drum. So at this point, it doesn't make any sense to go any further in Midjourney because Midjourney doesn't know what a djembe drum is. So it wouldn't make any sense to try the other prompts. If you're still stuck on finding the right niche, then click on this link right here to see a video about the proper research on Amazon. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more AI tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.